Hello, what's up mga ka-wonders? Today pupunta naman tayo sa Trevi Fountain. So, balik kagagaling lang natin dyan sa what do you call this? Piazza de España. Then, siguro mga from Piazza de España, if you go by walking, mga 9 to 10 minutes, walk lang yan. So, right now, we're heading to Trevi Fountain from Piazza de España by walking. So, at the moment, nandito tayo ngayon sa Trevi District. Yan. So, mapapansin nyo, maraming mga shops dyan, left and right. So, at marami ring mga tourist na nakakasalubong natin, di ba? So, yun nga, maraming shops, mga souvenir shops, mga coffee shops, mga maliliit na restaurants. Yan, like katulad yan, mga fruit stands. So, yan yung madadaanan natin along the way to Trevi Fountain. At sa mga oras din na yan, medyo kakatila lang ng ulan. Kaya, at saka ang weather at that time, malamig So, hindi siya snowy pero malamig. So, hindi pwedeng hindi ka naka-jacket. So, mapapansin nyo, lahat naka-jacket pa yan. Kasi malamig pa nga. Tapos umulan pa. So, kaya mas malamig. So, dito sa area na to, malapit na tayo sa Trevi Fountain. I think, mga ilang minutes na lang. Siguro, less than 2 minutes. Nandiyan na tayo sa makikita natin Trevi Fountain. So, few meters na lang at mararating na natin si Trevi Fountain. Pero before niyan, naisipan kong kumain muna ng gelato dito sa Romeo Gelato Italiano. Sarap kasi yan. Finally, we reached Trevi Fountain. So, yun nga lang, umulan. Kaya may makikita mo yung mga tao, mga nakapayong, naka-raincoat kasi medyo lumakas ulit yung ulan. But it's okay. Ganun talagang weather. So, at least we reached Trevi Fountain. So, maraming crowd yan. I think everyday siguro maraming crowd dito. Let's have a little trivia about this fountain. Actually, it is an 18th century fountain dito sa Trevi District in Rome, designed by the Italian architect named Nicola Salvi, and it was completed by Giuseppe Panini in 1762. This fountain is the largest Baroque fountain in the city and one of the most famous fountains in the world. Siyempre, as part of the tradition, kailangan ko din mag-toss coin. Ayan. Well, as you can see sa video na ito, tumila na yung ulan, pero marami pa rin crowd dito sa around the Trevi Fountain, you know.
I think I'm going that way.
Alright, we're done with the Trevi Fountain. So, ang next stop natin is the Colosseum. Common dito sa Italy yung mga restaurants or mga coffee shops, yan, or mga drinks na may mga tent na ganyan na nakikita nyo along the way, covered sila ng tent kasi nga anytime pwedeng umulan, so at least yung customer hindi mababasa. On this video, on the way tayo sa Bernini Station kasi magte-train tayo from Bernini Station going to the Colosseum Station. Ayan, we finally reached the Colosseum from Colosseum Station. Ganda, diba?
Colosseo. The Colosseum. Yeah. Colosseum up and personal. Ancient gladiator happened here.
Okay, let's have a quick trivia about the Colosseum. The Colosseum is over 1,900 years old na. Tapos, gladiatorial shows took place at the Colosseum. It is famous for being the world's largest amphitheater. You can see some section of the arena that was once underground. And of course, it is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. The Ark of Constantine commemorates the victory of Constantine over Maxentius at the Battle of Milvian Bridge in AD 312 for sole control of the Roman Empire in the West. Yun. Hindi na tayo nag-attempt pumasok dyan sa Colosseum kasi nakita nyo naman ang haba ng pila. Siguro aabutin tayo ng at least more than 3 hours dyan sa pila na yan. So might as well dito na lang tayo sa labas, di ba? So okay na to. At least nakita natin si Colosseum at it's a great experience na rin yun. Alright, hanggang dito na lang ang ating video for today at hope you like it at marami pa tayong videos na i-upload regarding sa Roma, Italy. So stay tuned and I'll see you again on my next video. Peace!